Welcome down to Peak Wildlife Park, our first ever visit here. In fact, we only knew this place existed last year when we accidentally drove past it. It's about 5 miles from Alton Towers, it's not far at all, and becomes one of the only places now in England or the UK that have polar bears, which were introduced late last year. Massive habitat, can't wait to see it. It's a bargain price to get in, under £20 per person, under £16 for children. One of them's still a child. So yeah, we're going to go in and check out Peak Wildlife Park, and quite frankly, can't wait. 11 AM for polar bear talks. Right, Cody, shoot me up.
What do you mean?
Where are we?
We are here.
Okay. Does this imply... Can't go. Where can we go? Continue your visit this way. Right, hold on. Now, so those that are aware, obviously, of the surroundings of Alton Towers will know exactly that this is in the middle of nowhere. And as I said, we didn't know, genuinely didn't know this place existed until we accidentally passed it last year, coming a different way into Towers because of traffic. That said, they do have incredible social media. They're TikToks, Cody.
They are great.
They are brilliant, like truly some of the best. If you haven't checked them out on TikTok, honestly, go check them out on TikTok. They are so funny, so well put together. And as you can see, it's just, you can't see houses anywhere. It's all very much a really nice setting. Right, we found the chickens and the goats, and look at the giant bunny. I think that one's quite small in comparison as well, if I'm being honest. Hey guys, how are we doing this morning? Look at the bunnies. Monster bunnies. How friendly do we think they are?
I reckon they're well friendly.
You reckon they're well friendly?
They look friendly, don't they?
Oh, look at them. Hey you guys. So that bit is branched off, where we've just been branched off, and then you come around here to walk with the animals, which takes us to the African area, and indeed some of the other exhibits. Starting with the otters, look, there they are. They're having a bit of a... He's nicking his bed. He's nicking his bed, Cod. These two are like, what's going on? I think one thing we've noticed is we can see sort of old pathway that's really quite small from when this probably used to be a farm. And then you can see the new infrastructure which is going in to make Peak Wildlife Park a lot bigger. So there's another walk through there with the sheep. Should we go in the sheep? Yeah, let's go see the sheep. Cameroon sheep might headbutt. First get headbutt wins. Oh look. How sweet it is. Hello. Oh, say hello to the sheepies. Go and say hello to the pygmy goat. God, there's loads of different walkthroughs that love the interactivity, really do. Hey Mr. Pygmy Goat, how are we? Oh, he's not happy. Interrupted his breakfast. I don't think he's too keen on me. Oh, I've got chicken! Look at the chicken!
Might as well fluffy chicken.
He's literally come over for a cuddle,
He's just
hasn't he?
stormed over.
Yeah, he's stormed over.
Is that right? Breakfast now?
He's happy. He's happy to stop for cuddles on the way to breakfast. We are heading up to the Lemurs yet, the next walkthrough, but we did think we'd stop and say hello to the meerkats. That's where everyone seems to be gathering today. Wow. Look at the one in the tree over there, look.
They got loads of different types in it.
Oh, he makes a noise.
I can see 3 different lemurs and they're all different types of lemur though.
Makes a noise, Cody. We have 3 different types of lemurs. The ones that you usually get in the walkthrough, the ringtail, but you've also got black and white and black as well. And to be fair, we've seen quite a few running around.
I've seen all 3.
There's some more goats. I love these. I love these interactive areas. Absolutely love them. Look at him. We've been for a lot, but I tell you, we never get this close.
Especially is there?
Yeah.
Normally.
Never. That shows you where they're from. Look at all these in the tree.
Oh, would you just follow through to the next?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all 4 types of lemur that we were saying.
That is all the lemurs.
All chilling together.
5 chilling together.
All friendly.
Still 5 actually, no one down there. Wow. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible.
He's like, unorthodox, but works.
Wow. Look at that tree, look.
It's brilliant, look.
What is going on here?
It's like she loving it though.
Hello?
It's so friendly.
Now then, are you cuddling up?
Give it a snuggle.
Or are you going to take my finger off? Oh my god, you can
It's
just...
so friendly.
What's going on?
Yeah, we're sitting down by the path over here.
Wow. I'm actually gobsmacked. I know occasionally,
Normally they're all hiding.
you get it, but how often, genuinely? Hello? Hello? Oh, cool are these guys? Kurt's found one here, look. He's having a drink, so Kurt's just mugging him off while he's drinking.
No, he's stuck his head up to say hi.
Hello guys. Oh my god, they just come over, look. That is just
I've never done that.
absolutely incredible.
No experience.
Alright, we're being surrounded here. I'm starting to think there's going to be a Wallaby apocalypse.
That's fine.
Hello?
Dad does a sit. He's on his way.
So they're having a little drink over here, but look, they just accept cuddles. Look at them, look. I'm actually gobsmacked. Hello. Hello.
Oh my god.
I think I'm in his way, you know. Sorry, mate.
Look at that.
I'll move right
It'll
one.
be because they do feedings, look.
Yeah.
So basically, they know if you crouch down, you're going to feed them or you're going to pet them.
Hello.
And they're so friendly. You just crouch
just-
down and they approach.
Give him a little nose.
Hello. Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Outside of Wallabies, here are the maneless zebras. They're having breakfast at the moment, but it's only one of 2 places in the country that's got maneless zebras. I don't think I've ever seen them, actually.
Oh, they can go out the back, I think.
These are the new areas. So we have polar bears. We can see the polar bears. He's splashing around like playing with a ball over there. And we can see the Arctic foxes over here as well. Just take a little look over here at the moment at the Arctic foxes. Look at them.
They are fluffy things.
They are fluffy as. It is starting to rain. But Mr. Polar Bear is right over here at the fence. And we can see him over there. Playing in the water. Is he going to jump? Well, he's no Olympic diver causing that splash, but that is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. The third one's not out for playing today.
That's the other half.
Oh, that's the other half of the.
Oh dear.
Oh,
The other half.
so there's one half, and
There's a little
there's
cross bit here.
the other half, and I think it's all open by the looks of things.
The house looks well nice as well.
Now we can see they put some food out, that's what they're doing now. And this side's actually better as well. We say about Yorkshire Wildlife Park, really high up and you can see over the fence to get good photos. The other side's a little bit difficult to do that, but this side actually...
I'm assuming this is the main side.
Yeah, this looks like the main side, and I think that's their main building down the bottom. I think first time seen polar bears.
Yeah, that's good.
Huge, aren't they? Huge.
Very playful.
Yeah, very, very playful. So they got the female here, which is the mum to the two males. They did say the female will be leaving in the next year, heading to one of the other UK parks. Right, now we do need to... Apparently we've got a new map. We did see alpacas on the website. We can't see alpacas on the map, but we haven't seen the penguins yet. So we're going to go and have a look for the penguins now and just make sure we haven't missed anything.
They're not.
Okay, they're not on the map, but they're on the website. Here they are. The coolest animal at the zoo.
Whoa.
What? What? Coolest animal at the zoo. Look at them, look.
Oh, cute. Fluffy.
They're looking for food.
You needed somewhere to pile them up.
A big deer area though.
Hey guys.
They're like, damn, give me that food.
They're quite big ones as well, in fairness. I kind of want to know where this path goes. We got some light as well for when they're open at night.
Look at the potential of all of this. That looks really good. Looks like
Yeah.
it's been used for something before.
So I think the park is open 10 till 5, so I'm guessing that come sort of 4 o'clock at the moment, it's dark enough that you're going to be having lights on, but the natural beauty, I mean, as you can see, you could probably,
It says nothing in
you know, as we've gone round, you can see there's no houses in the background. We are literally in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely love it.
There is stuff in here.
I have no idea what's in
Like
here.
a natural garden.
I think that's just natural, I think.
Good. Hello.
Oh, we've walked into something. Oh, there's an albino wallaby here.
There's a brown one over there as well.
Oh, there's the elbow now.
And then here's the other side of the wallaby walkthrough, where we were earlier.
You don't see me.
We've had a final walk through the wallabies and the lemurs. Look at them.
They're perfectly lined up.
Have we finally found the penguins? Yes, we have.
Yeah. Tortoises are on the left.
OMG.
Tortoise?
Right, so you can find out where Jack is.
Jack the weather tortoise.
Brilliant. Right, so let's go under here first, shall we, and check out the underwater. See if we can see any penguinos under here. There he is.
Oh, so they've got two water bits by the way there.
Yeah.
So I got the normal water and it goes up to this pool.
Right, so this is the under bit. Here we are outside.
Look, they walk up the ramp around to get in.
That is quite cool. They've literally got a water ramp.
Oh, look at him.
They have some nice
Right,
fancy-
let's go see what we can see from up there.
Probably
Michael.
stroking that one.
He's got his whole head through there.
Now we've made it up the top. There are penguinos up here.
No, they walk down there.
So they've got a nice dual pool. We've just noticed there's a little walk through.
They like a good walk.
Oh, we can go
don't they?
down, look. Go down steps. Now walk. Right, okay. Found a new part. Let's head down there. I've never seen a penguin walk through. Have we ever seen a penguin walk through?
So. Not be a very common thing.
No, I don't know where the alpacas went either. That's... Wow.
Oh no, this is where the other wallaby are, Dad. The red and albino one.
Ah, so the other wallabies are in here as well. God, there is so much interactivity. So we are in, as you can see, a penguin walkthrough. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. I've never seen one.
Stand here and come up.
And you can tell they come over here, obviously, by
The birthday.
the poo.
Oddly, the sign says.
Wow. Right, that one goes back out to the deer where we were. God, I tell you what, actually, it's quite a... The layout is...
It's a bit complex.
Yeah, it's a little quite complex, isn't it? So that's where we've been, which is the Lemur walkthrough, but you can't go through from here to the Lemur walkthrough, even though actually they're all interconnecting fences. But I still find it fascinating. You can walk around here with the Mara, and then you can go down here and walk through with the penguins. It's just that's so weird. Yeah, look, the alpacas that have wandered along to the little barn underneath.
That
Oh look, they do walk up and over that hill, you can see. There's loads of poo on it on the top.
We've come up to have a final look at the Arctic foxes, because you don't see these very often. They're having a little forage at the moment. Look at the thick coat on them. And as we come over this side, all three polar bears are in shot.
No, Hope's more interested in getting down to the bottom half of the enclosure at the moment, so you might not see too much of Hope, but you might wander out as we're doing this talk. And we have two other bears that live here. So the one who's just approaching the blue ball that I've just thrown in, his name is Nori, and he is 2 years old, and he lives in here with his twin brother Nanook, who is the one who's just been playing with that purple ball in the pool over there. So those two are about 2 years old. Hope is 9 years old, and these guys came to us from the Orsa Predator Park, which used to be in Sweden. Unfortunately, that park closed down at the start of last year. Nanook spotted there's a new toy, and he doesn't like Nori having run of the new toy without him. Oh, you are a big bully, aren't you, Nanook? They do share, but if ever there's a new toy there, Nanook likes to be the first one to have a go on it. Oh, did he steal your ball? Oh, you can go and play with the purple one now that he's not using it. So these guys came to us from the Orsa Predator Park, which used to be in Sweden. Like I say, that park closed down at the start of last year, which is how we came to acquire our polar bears.
There we go, that is Peak Wildlife Park, our very, very first visit. And I'll tell you, that place is a hidden gem. Hidden gem, you know, particularly if you're coming to Alton Towers. It's only 5 miles away from Alton Towers. If you're coming for day trips there, add this in. So what have we seen today? Obviously we came for polar bears. There are now 3 places in England that got polar bears, plus a place in Scotland. We didn't actually know about the place in Scotland, in fairness, when we were at Yorkshire last year. And when we went to Yorkshire last year, that was the only place with them. But a few places have expanded. And it's wonderful in there. The interactivity is wonderful. It really is. We've had squirrel walkthroughs, we've had lemur walkthroughs, we've had wallaby walkthroughs, and I know you can get wallaby walkthroughs and you can get lemur walkthroughs in many places, but very rarely do you actually have them come up to you and kind of sit with you and look for attention. We've walked through with penguins, which was mad, the maras. What else we walked through with? Walked through with other bits as well, haven't we? Everything. Everything. So what favourite part of the day, Kurt?
Polar bears.
Polar bears, Cody?
Probably the wallabies.
Yeah, and stroking the wallabies was good.
Yeah, I think for me, stroking the wallabies and the little walkthroughs there, the way they sort of went through was just amazing. Just the way all the sort of paths interconnect. Absolutely loved it. Thank you for joining us here from UK Theme Parks on an adventure vlog. If you've liked it, please drop the like and share it. It means the world to us, and we'll see you next time.